And we're finally getting some snow. This is January 27th, I think. Definitely cold enough for snow. About 19 degrees. Alright, big change since the last video. Working on about 3 inches now. So much for dusting to a ½ inch of snow. Pond's got snow on it from the ice. Ducks don't seem to mind it. At least they got a little bit to swim in over there. Beautiful snow though. It's just, we're stuck down here. That's as far as I can go right there. I can't get up any hill. It's a hill right over there. I can't get up. And I can't get up that hill right there. And the temperature keeps dropping. It's about 17 degrees. It's supposed to be 12 tonight. This stuff's going to freeze solid. Just glad I split all that wood the other day, so I can stay warm in there.